Hey everyone, it's Trent with Texas Inspection. I wanted to show you something else with the roof today that I saw. And it's really important on these older roofs to get up there and check what's going on the very tip top, because if you look behind me, most of that looks like it's in really good shape, especially from the ground. Now you can see there's a missing shingle that we've got back over here. But if you don't see that going on, what's very common is the rest of the roof is doing really, really great, except for the very apex, and these cap shingles are called, cap shingles. And they go right on the cap of the roof. And look at this roof. All the rest of the shingles, look at that. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. But when you get up here to the cap, look how worn that is. That's the fiberglass underneath. You see, that's all worn all the way down that thing. Look at that. And it's that way across the whole roof. It's across the breezeway coming between the garage and the house and everything. So the rest of the shingles, not too bad, although there are some missing shingles in this case. But those cap shingles really get worn in some cases, and you can't tell unless you get up on it or get a higher vantage, like with a drone or something. All right, that's the tip of the day. Look at those cap shingles. Talk to y'all later. Bye.